transform your product presentations and unlock a new era of customer engagement with Higgsfield. Today, we're diving into how Higgsfield can revolutionize your product marketing. We'll explore how to leverage its powerful capabilities to not just showcase products, but to truly bring them to life for your audience. First, let's understand the core of Higgsfield's potential: creating immersive experiences. Imagine your customers not just seeing a product, but being able to interact with it in a virtual space, examining every detail from every angle, all from their own devices. Higgsfield also empowers AI-driven marketing strategies. By analyzing how customers engage with your product within the platform, you gain invaluable insights. This data can then be used to generate hyper-targeted advertisements, ensuring your message reaches the right people at the right time. Now, let's look at the practical steps to implement this. Start by uploading high-quality 3D models of your products. Higgsfield excels at rendering these with stunning realism. Then, utilize intuitive tools to edit interactive elements. This could include allowing customers to change colors, swap out accessories, or view different product configurations in real time. Think of it as a virtual showroom on steroids. For a truly seamless experience, integrate Higgsfield with your existing marketing channels. This could be through web links, QR codes on physical products, or even augmented reality overlays that allow customers to visualize your product in their own space. The result: more engaging product demonstrations, deeper customer understanding, and ultimately, a powerful way to drive sales by creating memorable and interactive product journeys with Higgsfield. You're not just marketing products, you're crafting experiences.